Today, we're sharing 5 simple exercises you can do right in your chair to help flatten your belly. No need for a gym. Just grab a chair and let's get started. Body fit. Stay strong, healthy, and beautiful. Welcome my channel. Chair exercises are a convenient and effective way to work on your core muscles, especially if you have a sedentary lifestyle or limited mobility. These exercises are designed to target your abdominal muscles, helping you achieve a flatter belly while sitting comfortably. First up, seated knee lifts. Sit tall with your feet flat on the floor. Lift one knee towards your chest, then lower it back down. Alternate between legs for a total of 15 reps per leg. This exercise engages your lower abdominal muscles. Next, we have seated leg extensions. Sit with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Extend one leg straight out and hold for a few seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat with the other leg. Perform 15 reps per leg. This move strengthens your lower abs and thighs. Now, let's do chair twists. Sit with your feet flat on the floor and place your hands on the back of your head. Twist your torso to the left, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee. Return to the center and twist to the right. Do 15 reps on each side. This targets your oblique muscles. For our fourth exercise, try seated bicycle crunches. Sit on the edge of your chair with your hands on the sides for support. Lift your feet off the floor and pedal as if riding a bicycle. Aim for 30 seconds of continuous movement. This exercise works your entire core. Finally, seated tucks. Sit on the edge of your chair and lean back slightly, holding the sides for support. Bring your knees towards your chest and then extend your legs back out. Repeat for 15 reps. This is great for your lower abs and hip flexors. After completing these exercises, it's important to cool down and stretch. Reach your arms overhead, twist gently from side to side, and stretch your legs to relax your muscles. And there you have it, 5 effective exercises for a flat belly that you can do right in your chair. Incorporate these moves into your daily routine for best results. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercises. Thanks for watching.